Today, I'm going to show you how to sync your inReach SE, SE Plus, Explorer, or Explorer Plus using the inReach Sync application. inReach Sync was designed to synchronize data between your inReach device and the Explorer website. When you make changes to your data on explore.garmin.com, it is important to use the Sync application to copy those changes to your inReach device. Here, I'm changing the quick text message options. To use inReach Sync, you will need a Mac computer, the inReach, and a micro USB cable. Begin by connecting your inReach to the computer. Then we will download inReach Sync. To download inReach Sync, log into explore.garmin.com. Then select the Plans and Devices tab. Now select the Sync and Update option and choose Windows or Mac under the inReach Sync desktop application option. inReach Sync will begin downloading. Now open inReach Sync by using the Command plus Spacebar keys, then search for inReach Sync. Select Continue through the introduction of the installation package. Review the terms and conditions and select Continue. Select Agree for the terms and conditions. Next, select Install. If needed, enter your Mac password to approve the installation. Then select Close. Now, open inReach Sync by using the Command plus Spacebar keys, then search for inReach Sync. The syncing process begins after you sign in. Your inReach may restart while the information is being synced. When you see the green checkmark, you are ready to disconnect. Your data is synced. Remember, it's always a good idea to double-check your changes have been synced on the inReach. For future syncs, just connect your inReach to your computer and open the inReach Sync app from the Finder under Applications. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com.